Hi, everyone, and welcome to day 307 of the Feathered Quest. Today's bird of the day is the Eurasian Collard Dove. After arriving in Florida, Eurasian Collard Doves spread across most of North America in just a few decades. Yet for some reason, they still haven't spread to the northeastern U.S.
Let's go find that daily feather. Well, thanks for coming along with me today, guys. Remember, you are loved, and the world is full of wonder. So, did we find our bird of the day?